To disable reminder for wireless emergency alert messages in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification and then tap advanced setting, tap wireless emergency alert, scroll down the screen. Under alert preferences section, tap alert reminder and then select never. By choosing this option, your phone will not remind you when you receive a wireless emergency alert message by playing the notification sound and vibrating. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.